Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing holographic galaxy shoes. The things you'll need are shoes, glossy Mod Podge, Minwax clear gloss polyurethane, a holographic glitter sampler, black glitter nail powder, white acrylic paint, painter's tape or a washable glue, a tiny paintbrush for dots, a big flat brush, and a medium round brush or some eyeshadow applicators or even Q-tips. So the first thing you need to do is cover any parts of the shoes you don't want glitter on with the painter's tape or a washable glue that you can peel off after. Cover the shoe with a layer of Mod Podge and let it dry. Mix a bag of black glitter powder with a few spoonfuls of Mod Podge. It should look kind of like moon sand. Using a brush or your fingers, spread a layer of the black glitter mix all over both shoes. Let it dry and add another layer, so you'll have 2 layers. Mash up any chunks with short, rough brush strokes so that the surface of the shoe is all even. Mix all of your holographic glitter packets except the gold and silver with a small spoonful of Mod Podge. The only one I didn't use at all was the green. I just used my fingers to blend different patterns in the shoe, keeping similar color schemes together like a real galaxy. Dab different colors into certain spots for more intense, bright galaxies, and you can kind of layer this on as you go and see how it looks. Add another layer of black anywhere you didn't put the holographic colors in order to cover up any fallout and make the galaxies more distinct. Go over the whole shoe with a layer of plain Mod Podge to fill in any gaps where the glitter is uneven. Use the small dotting brush and the white acrylic paint to add stars. I did a few clusters here and there, but don't overdo it. Mix the silver glitter with a small amount of Mod Podge and do the same with the gold. Use the silver mix and the small brush to add more faint stars and little swirls of stardust here and there. Do the same thing with your gold mix. I mostly kept silver swirls near blue galaxies and gold swirls near red galaxies. Touch up any final spots you want to change, then it's time to seal everything with polyurethane. This is the same finish I used on furniture, so it will not wash off with water, soap, or even alcohol or acetone-based products like nail polish remover. The only way to remove dried polyurethane is with a paint remover. I brushed on 2 coats of the polyurethane. You should let it dry for an hour or 2 between coats and let the finished product dry overnight. After they were dry, I peeled off my tape and cleaned up any stubborn spots of glitter on the bottom of the shoes. Put the laces in and you're all done. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty content. See ya!